Allow us to take you on a fun circus adventure together with our silly socks yarn. This lovely colored sock yarn will remind you of a lively circus show, lift your spirits, and bring a smile on your face. Our silly socks yarn is made out of 75% wool, which will keep your feet warm and cozy, while the 25% polyamide or nylon will make your socks resistant and sturdy. It comes in 100 grams skein, that means that it's 3.5 ounces, and will be enough to make a pair of standard sized socks. Silly Socks is super wash treated, and this means that it can be machine washed at 30 degrees Celsius, that's 86 Fahrenheit. This will definitely make your life easier when taking care of your beautiful socks. And even though this is a classical sock yarn, please don't limit yourself to only knitting socks. Cardigans for children, mittens, and beanies can all be created with this yarn. Feel free to play with your creativity and work with 2 threads simultaneously. For instance, lay the thread from the outside together with the thread from the inside. The colors will then get mixed even more and creating an even more unexpected and fun effect that will look great in small projects as well as in big ones. If you want to stick to creating socks, 100 gram skein will be enough for a standard pair of socks until size 40. That's a UK size 6.5 and a US size 8.5. For socks bigger than that, please make sure to get 2 skeins. So are you ready to start some handicraft acrobatics with silly socks? We know you are. Have fun!